what's up guys, welcome back to another episode of Faisal Al-Edaily. Today we're going to be talking about rotations on the coordinate plane, how to rotate shapes on the coordinate plane. So first we have to learn the rules of these degrees, of these rotations. So first we have 90 degrees. So for 90 degrees, the sleeping one, the lines that are sleeping like horizontal become vertical. So the sleeping becomes standing. And then vice versa. So standing is sleeping and the sleeping is standing. So first we have this example. So we have around 1, 2, which is the center of rotation. 1, 2, this is called the center of rotation. This point never moves. If you rotate it, it doesn't move at all. And 90 degrees is like 90 degrees. And clockwise with the motion of the clock, not counterclockwise. So first, we know that 1, 2, that'll be this point right here. So this is just going to stay the exact same. Now, let's go to the next point, which is this one. So let's see how many units it'll take from the center of rotation to that point. So we'll have 1, and then 2, and then 3. So it's 3 points up. Now, 3 points up, it will be now 3 points to the right. 3 units to the right, since we said that the standing is sleeping. So we'll have 1, 2, 3. So it'll be right here. It's kind of hard to see, but here it is. And then from this point, the origin, to the next point, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 to the right. Now, 4 to the right, which means it'll be 4 down, because the sleeping becomes standing. You have to have like pretty good imagination for it. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So the next point will be right here. And then we can grab our technical ruler, and then we can do this, and then like this. So that's how you can rotate that shape / triangle 90 degrees clockwise around this point, 1, 2. Now this is the next example. So you can see it's 360 degrees, and then there's this shape. Now you may be wondering, what is the rule for the 360 degrees, and why is there no center of rotation or direction? Well, that is because 360 degrees, the rule is basically nothing. The shape stays the same, so you don't write anything. We're done. This is a trick question, so if you see 360 degrees, just don't do anything. 180 degrees, around 1, -3. And this is a rectangle here. Now you may be asking, why is there no direction? Because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter in the 180 degrees. Now, what is 180 degrees? Let's see the rule. Up is down. Left becomes right. So it's basically like we're flipping everything. We're flipping the directions. So up equals down, and then left equals right, and vice versa. So you can see the pink square, or rectangle, I should say. To rotate it 180 degrees, we have the up go down, and then the left go right. So, and we say here it's 1, -3. So this is 1, -3. This is the center of rotation. It won't move at all. So first, let's see how many units it is to this point. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4. Now this is going up, so then it'll turn down, and the length won't matter. It won't change. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it'll be right there. Next one, we have 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 to the left, which means left equals right. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3. So it'll be right here. Right there, basically. Next is this point. So we'll have to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and then 1, 2, 3 left. So if it's 4 up, 3 left, that means it's going to be 4 down, 3 right. So if we go 4 down, 1, 2, whoops, there was an earthquake happening. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4 down, and then 1, 2, 3 to the right. So it'll be right there. Right here. Right below the last dot, or whatever you call it, last point. So then you can go right around like this. You can use your technical ruler or whatever, and then you're done. So those are the examples I just showed you. Now we have 3 more. These are the practice rounds. So let me show you these practice rounds real quick here. So here are the practice rounds. Here you can pause the video. You can grab a pen and paper if you want to, and you can just solve it, and then I will solve it and see if your answer is correct. So right now we have you can pause right now and then try thinking and see if your answer is correct. I'll give you some time. Okay, so let me do it right now. So it says 180 degrees around -1, 1. -1, 1 is this point right here. And 180 degrees around it, we said the up is down and then the left is right, vice versa. So we have 1, 2, 3 up, and then 1, and then 2 right. So that will be 3 down and then 2 left. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, and then 1, and then 2. So the point will be right here, around like right there. And then 1, 2, 3 to the right. So then it'll be 1, 2, 3 to the left. So the point will be right here. And then you can grab your technical ruler, or whatever you're calling it, and then you can connect them. There we go. And that's it. Next is this. So this is another trick one because this is 360 degrees. So nothing happens because it's just 360 degrees. The point will go a full circle and then it will go back to where it was. Nothing really happens. And then we have 90 degrees counterclockwise around 4,3. So let's do this. Around 4,3, which is this point right here. 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we'll have 1, 2, 3 to this point. So then it'll be 1, 2, 3. Since we said that the sleeping is standing and then the standing is sleeping. So it'll be right here. And then this horizontal one, that's 2. So it'll become, or no, it's vertical, it's standing. It will become sleeping, 2 to the right. So 1, and then 2. And then you can write the dot right here. Well, not write, like draw, I guess works too. And then you can just do this, grab your technical ruler, and just connect the dots. And you're basically done. Those are the 3 examples. Tell me if you got any of them right. If you did, kudos to you. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn the button gray. Follow my space on Quora. Its name is gonna be in the description. Quora is a social media where you can ask questions and other people answer them. Peace out, and then rotate those shapes.